This automated YouTube channel earns more than $13,000 per month from advertisements, sponsorships, and other sources. It primarily creates straightforward short videos about animals. The content consists of stock footage or images accompanied by a voiceover, text, and captions. The format seems to involve basic narration and visuals to explain the content. This minimalistic approach has proven to be quite successful. Social Blade provides these insights. I'll guide you through making videos like these using AI, allowing you to set up an automated YouTube channel similar to theirs. To begin, go to ChatGPT and insert your initial request. This will generate a list of animals for your video. You can find all the prompts and tools listed in the description below the video. Step 2. Take the next step towards unleashing your video creativity by visiting Visla.us. Sign up for a free account effortlessly using your Gmail credentials. Vizsla, a cutting-edge AI-powered video creation platform, is your gateway to easily recording, editing, and sharing high-quality videos. Now click on the Create Video button. Here you can find different video generating options like idea, text, blog, audio, video with voice. In this video, we will use the idea option. First, copy the video topic generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt bar. Alternatively, you can describe the video you want to create in the prompt bar. Finally, click on Generate button and wait for the results. Now click on the three dots and then click on the download button. Here is a demo video.
Welcome to the fascinating world of the axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish. Today, we will explore the unique features of this aquatic salamander. Did you know that the axolotl is capable of regenerating its limbs and even parts of its organs? Let's dive deeper into this incredible ability. The axolotl's unique appearance is truly captivating. Its feathery external gills and juvenile features make it a remarkable creature to behold. Axolotls
Currently, this website has both paid and free features. I would recommend using the paid plan as the free mode only allows you to generate videos up to 50 minutes. Now I will guide you on how you can generate free AI videos from Visla. Open the dashboard and click on Create Video button. Type your video idea and click on Generate button. After generating the video, click on the Export button. By default, this will be generated using premium stock footage. For free options, click on Regenerate with free stock. This will regenerate our video using free stock footage. Click on the Export button again, then click on the three dots and download your video. Here is the demo.
Content creator interested in monetizing your YouTube Shorts? Well, you're in luck. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make money using YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is a powerful tool for creators to showcase their talent and earn money. Let's dive into the strategies that can help you monetize your shorts. First, focus on creating engaging and high-quality content. The better your shorts, the more likely.
This tool is currently free and I don't know when they will end the free account option. However, you can use your ideas to create engaging content for YouTube and make money online. Thanks for watching this video.